So today we're going to talk about battery maintenance. When you're in storage, disconnect your battery. If you don't have a battery disconnect on board, disconnect the negative side of your battery. Step over here. When a RV is plugged in, it's always going to be charging your battery. Going down the road, you'll be charging your battery. If you have a lead acid battery like this, and it's plugged in for an extended period of time, you will want to pop these lids off. Check your fluid levels in here. If the fluid levels are low, add distilled water to do a battery maintenance and schedule this at least once a month. Check your connections and make sure there's no corrosion. If there's any corrosion, clean your battery terminals. Take a wire brush, a stiff wire brush, just clean them. That's all you really need to do. Don't do the old wives' tale of pouring Coke or anything like that. They do sell a corrosion inhibitor. You can spray on here. You can pick it up at any auto parts store. Other than that, just do some preventative maintenance. It'll prolong the life of your battery. Again, if you're going to be in storage and you do not have a battery disconnect, disconnect the negative side. Will keep you from draining your battery. There are certain components on every RV that will have a constant draw on your battery. One being your LP detector, and one being your antenna booster. You may leave a light on, etc. Doing this will prevent you from going to your unit, trying to pick it up, go on your trip, and having a dead battery in your battery. If you have a lead acid battery like this, and if it's plugged in for an extended period of time, you will want to pop